Our electric kettle is about 10 years old. It's showing its age, and I have been very hesitant to get a new one as they all seem to touch plastic somewhere. So I was thrilled when Cosori came out with their fully stainless steel electric kettle, as I am hoping that this is everything I want. So I went and got this myself. Let's put it to the test. Now this is a 1.8 quart electric kettle. It of course comes with your instructions, and then you get the kettle. I'm already so excited. This is already looking so good. Now to start off with, here's the base. It does have the ability to wrap the cord if you need the cord to be shorter so you don't see any of it on your kitchen counter. But if you have it as long as it can go, it's almost 3 feet, about 3 feet. So you got a good amount of length there. The base itself is mostly plastic, so it's pretty lightweight, but it does have this nice stainless steel rim, so it will look really nice on your counter. Very, very nice and clean. And if you have it this way, you'll even have the branding. Now for the kettle itself, off the bat, my favorite part is that it truly is all stainless steel. There isn't any little plastic viewer for how much water's in it, or any plastic filtration that some of these have, or a lot of them seem to have plastic lids, which I'm like, come on, if you are that close, why don't you go all the way? This one went all the way. It is completely stainless steel. This is 304 stainless steel. Your water is never touching plastic. Now, right now I have the lid popped all the way up. I did that manually just by forcing it up. It will be here when you open it with the button, and then it closes so cleanly. So really, really nice there. And you will see on the exterior that it does have plastic on the exterior, which I do expect some plastic, mostly because this is going to be much nicer for me to pick up when the rest of this gets hot. And so this should be really clean, and then it just has its single button. So you fill it up with water, press this down, and then it will bring the water to boil, and this will pop back up to turn it off when the water is at boil. Now, Cosori promises that this will heat 2 cups of water within 3 minutes. So let's put that to the test. Now here we go, close up. You can see what I'm talking about. It is fully stainless steel. There is no plastic at all in any part of the interior of this. I have 2 cups of water, so let me pour that in. And you may see right there that there is actually lines inside, so you can see how much you filled it. 2 cups in, equivalent to half a liter. Close that up, and now I'm gonna set a timer as we do this. So let's see how this does. We are already seeing steam. It is definitely boiling. I think it's really close. 2 minutes and 27 seconds to boil 2 cups of water. I absolutely love when brands exceed expectations. They promised 3 minutes and they did it in less than 2.5. And I also do love this LED light. Really nice and clean and simple there. Now for the final test, I just want to see how nicely this pours. The handle is really nice and cool, no heat at all. Even this section still feels nice, but the kettle itself is super hot. So just know that the stainless steel is going to get really hot, but as long as you're holding the handle, you're good. Very, very easy to pour. Nice and clean there. Definitely doing everything I want. This met and exceeded my expectations. If you are looking for an all stainless steel electric kettle that is truly built to last, this is the one. I am so thrilled I got the Cosori electric kettle, and I will definitely be using this for years to come.